Alright guys,
welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are in the middle of the desert.
Yeah, we're going to the fancy 7 mountains, right?
7 magic mountains.
7 magic mountains.
Yeah.
So come get lost with us today as we explore.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out. This little hop-in tourist attraction that is outside of Las Vegas. Let's go.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Alright, so what is 7 Magic Mountains? It is a art production fund put on by the Nevada Museum of Art. And it opened in May of 2016. And if you guys want to learn more, you can go to 7magicmountains.com. camping up here at 7 Magic Mountains.
Yeah, it's definitely a fun experience. Schedule about 15-20 minutes, and that's basically all you need to really take to get there. The longest part is really the drive out here from Vegas.
Agreed. I would say try to come early in the morning. We came like kind of early in the afternoon. It was about noon, but as we've been here for about a half hour, more and more people have showed up. Like it has tripled in people since we've been here. So.
For sure. So you definitely want to get here early, you definitely want to get it done, and yeah, it's a cool experience though. So if you know any other roadside attractions that we should visit, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you can get updated on what we've been doing around Vegas and what we're doing in our travels.
So with that being said, we will see you guys in our next adventure.
Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family.